We'll show you how to upload a video to YouTube from your Windows computer. Whether you're a new content creator or just sharing a video with friends and family, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Make sure your video is edited and ready for upload. Save it in a common format like MP4 or MOV for best compatibility. Launch Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any web browser you prefer on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com and hit enter to go to YouTube Studio page, where you can upload videos on your channel or account. Enter your Google account credentials to log in if you are not. Click on the camera icon with a plus sign in the top right corner. Then select Upload Videos from the drop-down menu. You'll be taken to the YouTube Studio upload page. Click on Select Files or drag and drop your video file into the upload area. While your video is uploading, you can enter its title, description, and tags. These details help viewers find your video. Add a thumbnail, if the video is not a short video, by clicking on the thumbnail section and uploading an image or selecting one from the video. You can also add the video in a playlist and see any of the options on the page. After you finish the updates to all of these options, click on Next. On video elements, you can click on Next. On checks, you will see if you have some copyrighted materials. You can also click on Next on this page. The final page is very important. Why? Choose the visibility of your video: public, unlisted, or private. This is important because you do not wish to set to public some private stuff. Let's talk about the types of visibility. Public. A public video is visible to everyone. It can be searched for, viewed, and shared by anyone on YouTube. Ideal for content you want to reach a broad audience, such as tutorials, vlogs, promotional videos, or any content you want to be widely accessible. Unlisted. An unlisted video is not searchable on YouTube and does not appear on your channel's public page. Only people with the direct link can view the video. Useful for sharing content with a select group of people, such as private or semi-private videos, like a family video, a private tutorial, or a video you want to embed on a website without making it widely available. Private. A private video can only be viewed by you and the people you specifically invite via their email addresses. These viewers must have a YouTube account and be logged in to view the video. Best for highly restricted content meant for specific individuals only, such as confidential work-related videos, personal messages, or draft versions of videos you don't want to share publicly yet. Scheduled. A scheduled video remains private until a specified date and time when it becomes public automatically. You set the publication date and time during the upload process. Perfect for planning and timing the release of your videos, such as coordinating a video launch with a specific event or maintaining a consistent upload schedule. After you have set all the options from this page, click on the Save button from the bottom. YouTube will process your video, which may take a few minutes. You can monitor the upload progress on the YouTube site. You can click on the Content tab and see the progress of your video. Also on this page, you will see the views you had. You've successfully uploaded a video to YouTube from your Windows computer. Now you can share your video with the world. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.